Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income has recently come in as an affiliate with Leads Leap. I'll just refresh the page here. I'm live in my members area, and in this row here, total income is now $2,054. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how even as a free lifetime member, you can earn affiliate commissions. So I'm going to go to the Pro tab here and just show you how this works. This is how I started with Leads Leap. It gives you a free versus pro comparison. So if you look down the bottom of the left hand side here, affiliate commissions, it says you will earn 25% commissions as a free member when your direct referrals upgrade. So if it's not within your budget to join Leads Leap and upgrade to Pro, where you will earn 50% recurring commissions, then I recommend just getting your free lifetime membership and then promoting Leads Leap. I can teach you how to do that. And then when you start to get some of these 25% monthly recurring commissions coming in, and they can build up, and then you can stay free for life if you wish to do so. But we do recommend then, when you get into profit, upgrading to get the 50% recurring. So what do you get with Leads Leap? Let's just have a look in here. The link in the description will take you to this page. So you just click on there to join. Create a username, your email address, a valid email address that you're going to get information on, first name and a password. Then just click sign up. And then you get access to the members area. Now, I've never seen so much value given for a free membership. You're going to get all of this here, all these tools. Not only the tools to build any online business, but also the traffic. So if you scroll down here, you get sort of a timeline. Since 2008, Leads Leap's been online. So known liked and trusted platform. And if you want more information, then if you want to know how you get traffic for free, just go click on there and it'll show you 4 ways to get traffic and leads. If you want to learn more about how to build a list for free, then there's some more information in there. How to make money for free. So there's 5 ways to make money with Leads Leap. So they give all the information free before you set your membership up. Then you've got to sort of decide here with this Q&A down here if Leads Leap is for you or not. All these bullet points here with testimonials, etc. So if you do decide to set up a free account, then there's a couple of ways you can develop your skills with this platform. So first thing to know really is just to take your time. Just take your time with this. So we'll go back into the dashboard here. When new members join Leads Leap, if you look at the menu down the left hand side, there's a lot of information. Advertising, social reviews, link trackers, email, page builder, funnel builder, rebrander, earn, referrals, affiliates. So it's a lot of information, but you're not going to use 90% of this when you first join. Now, they do help you out. So what they do is, if I go on to the dashboard here, there's a couple of ways you can develop your skills. Just take your time with it. So depending on your learning style, you see this here, it says tutorial. Just click on there, and then what they do is they do text and image tutorials. So let's say if you want to learn how to build a list here, then here's all your setup instructions. Just go step by step. All you do is follow these instructions step by step. Shows you where to click, where to copy, where to paste. So these tutorials are great. Let's X out of that one. Now, if you also, let's have a look over here, how to make money with Leads Leap. So you've got 5 ways to earn money. So they'll teach you the 5 ways, and they'll also teach you how to set everything up. And what we've done, we want to give you for free. What we've done, we're going to give you these here, these video tutorials. So it all depends really on your learning style, how you like to learn. I like to learn through watching videos. So we created this Leads Leap training course of video tutorials. So if your learning style is reading and images, then the tutorials in the members area are great. If your learning style is video, then there'll be a link in the description that will take you to this training course for free. And some of these videos you'll see here, 17 minutes long, 22 minutes long, 16 minutes long. They're very detailed. And each of these videos will teach you how to use each and every one of those features within the Leads Leap menu. So just take your time with that, and then whatever you want to do, whichever tools you want to use, the information is there for you to be able to learn from. I want to show you now about the list builder, because building a list is going to be your best asset to make money online. It's where you follow up with your prospects. Your prospects need to see your offer up to 7 times before they take action to buy. So list building is really key in becoming successful in making money online. I want to give you an example of one of my email series here, because if you're looking to use the list builder, it's important to know that your prospects and your leads are going to get your emails. They're not going to go into the spam folder. They're not going to go into promotions. Leads Leap has a very high deliverability, and that's really important. Now, another key thing is if you want to build a list long term, then Leads Leap will only charge you one fixed price as a pro member for unlimited subscribers. You might have been looking at some other list builders. We're not here to knock those. We're not here to bash those. But some of the other list builders, the more subscribers you get, they will put the monthly price up. And that's why I joined Leads Leap. It's just a one fixed price as a pro member for unlimited subscribers. Now, if you look down here, we're looking at sent, we're looking at open, and we're looking at clicks. These 3 are really key. First of all, within this click engine, one of my click engine lists, the sent column is how many people. It's an email series that goes out for 8 days in a row. Now, what you're looking at here, the open rate. We've got a very high open rate here within the 30%, 44%, 37%, 36%, 36%. Now, what that tells me that my emails are going into the inbox and they're getting seen because they're getting opened. And then the most important aspect of list building is the clicks within the email, the click-through rate. So you'll see here that I'm getting clicks, 220 clicks, 69, 63, 67, 53. So not only are the emails getting opened, the emails are getting clicks. And if you're not getting any opens, you're not getting any clicks, then unfortunately you won't make any money online. So I really like the list builder. It's called SendSteed. I do highly recommend that you start list building because the fortune is in the follow-up. Another one of my favourites are the Leads Leap share codes. Now, a share code I'll just come over and show you what share codes look like in this page. Now a share code, these are what's called share codes here. Now all you do with these share codes is you copy and paste them into Leads Leap. And then what happens is you can completely clone funnels, lead capture pages, like this one here. This is a complete funnel. So when you're new, and you maybe haven't got the skills to learn how to know how to build lead capture pages, how to build funnels, then you can piggyback off other members. They're very, very happy to give you the share codes to duplicate and clone these funnels. So if you wanted this funnel here, where I teach, it's for my lead gen secret, where I teach people how to get USA buyers traffic for free and earn income from it, then you would get this lead capture page, you would get this welcome page here, and then it would be completely cloned to you. The videos would be on there, everything would stay the same, and all you would have to do is put your affiliate link in there, that button there, put your affiliate link in there. And this is how you get referrals with Leads Leap, creating these little funnels. And then when they click on your link, you earn the commissions. I do video tutorials down here, and then you would just put your name and your email in there. So you only need to make 3 changes in this funnel, 3 small changes, and it's completely done for you. I've even done an email series that follows up as well, so the emails are done for you as well. So the funnels are great. Share codes is one of my favorite features, and I do all the updated videos on here as well, so I constantly update these videos. So especially if you're brand new and you want to be able to start promoting Leads Leap, start promoting your offers, then these funnels really are just simple, just copy and paste in a few clicks. So if you've enjoyed today's video, first of all, I'd like to mention the income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new uploads. So currently here on my channel, I do several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And if you want any help with your affiliate marketing or you want to contact me, I always put my email address in the description, so you can reach me on there and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So I just recommend that you go onto this button, go to the link in the description, set up your free account, you set up your free membership, it's free for life, and then just come down the members area, have a really good look around in the members area, and then see what tools can help you. Make money online. If you want some affiliate tools to promote Leads Leap, I didn't mention this earlier. If you want some affiliate tools, just go into this section here, affiliate links and tools, and they give you some really good. They give you this report. They give you this report here that you can give away, and this will have your links built in, so you can teach people how to advertise. Just send these out in emails or just promote them. And then this will have your affiliate link built into it. So they give you lots of little, that's the one here. This is a rebranded report here. They give you, your links are already built in. You can give these away. It's not even a download or an opt-in. It's just your prospects can just read it online. Just a free report that you give away. Now within that report, over here, within that report, you'll see here at the end, It says Barry Cross 1961. So it puts your name and your username in there automatically. And all you do is just copy and paste that and promote it. So there's lots of ways you can get referrals. There's lots of, if you need any help with anything, just send me an email. I can show you where to get free traffic from if you're on a tight budget. And let's get you going with Leads Leap, and let's get you making some money online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.